Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we're creating a winter forest sunset, a peaceful winter landscape that focuses on soft blending, glowing light, layered trees, and snowy details. Before we begin, please pause the video and gather your supplies. Everything you'll need is listed in the description below. Once you're ready, let's get started. Begin by squeezing out small amounts of portrait tone, orange, titanium white, and cobalt blue directly onto the canvas in the pattern shown. Using a slightly damp sponge brush, start spreading and blending the colors horizontally, moving from the lightest tones into the darker ones. Keep your strokes soft and gentle, and re-wet the sponge as needed. Take your time here to create a smooth, glowing background. If needed, add a few gentle crisscross strokes to soften the transitions. Next, load a small flat brush with lemon yellow and paint a soft sun in the center of the canvas. Gently pull the color upward and downward using light strokes, allowing the warmth to spread outward while keeping the center brighter and the edges softly diffused. Take your time with this step. Keep it simple and have fun as you follow along. Using a Filbert brush loaded with phthalo blue, begin painting cone-shaped evergreen trees along the lower half of the canvas. Start each tree at the top and pull the brush downward, widening the shape as you go. Vary the height and width of the trees, keeping the tallest ones near the edges of the canvas for balance. Continue building the forest by layering additional trees with the same technique, allowing some to overlap slightly to create depth. Now move to the foreground. Using horizontal strokes, add layers of white, cobalt blue, and turquoise blue beneath the trees. Work gently and avoid over-mixing so some strokes remain broken and visible, giving the snow texture and movement. With a small flat brush and black paint, add thin tree trunks beneath the evergreen shapes. Keep the trunks taller near the edges and gradually shorter toward the center. While the black paint is still visible, lightly brush over parts of the trunks using a soft mix of cobalt blue and white. Allow some of the dark base to show through, so the trunks appear lightly covered in frost and snow. Mix black and burnt umber, then load a filbert brush to paint a broader tree trunk in the foreground. Keep the edges uneven and organic to show that it's closer to the viewer. Use the same snow technique by lightly brushing cobalt blue and white over portions of the trunk. Using a small flat brush, outline one side of the trunk with white and the opposite side with black to enhance contrast and dimension. Now switch to a liner brush loaded with black paint. Add fine details to the trunk using short horizontal strokes to suggest bark texture. Extend long, uneven branches outward, then add smaller sub-branches randomly. Keep the lines thin, slightly curved, and irregular for a natural winter look. Keep it simple and have fun as you follow along. Take your time with this step. Using a fine detail brush with white and cobalt blue, gently repaint portions of the branches to create snowy highlights. Let some of the dark base remain visible for depth. To finish the painting, thin your white paint slightly and gently tap or flick it over the canvas using a stiff brush to create a natural falling snow effect. Keep it simple and have fun as you follow along. Step back, make any final adjustments, and allow your painting to dry completely. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more easy, relaxing painting lessons every week. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone. If you'd like to become a channel member, you can tap the Join button below this video to unlock fun perks like member badges, custom emojis, and member shoutouts. And if you're ready to continue learning with us beyond today's tutorial, you're always welcome to explore our free challenges and our full Paint Your Own Happiness program at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you so much for painting with us. We can't wait to see what you create next.